Hey everybody, it's me Sissy. I'm back with something a little different for my channel. I actually went to the after Christmas sale at Hobby Lobby and got this beautiful farm basket, and it was included in the Christmas clearance, so it's 80% off. It was regularly $25, so I got it for $5 or $4 and some change. Anyway, I'm doing my kitchen and farmhouse, and I thought this would make a perfect wall hanging. I got this thing about chickens and eggs and cows, so I love this little chalkboard center in it, and it was loose, so I glued it back down. And I want to make it a little brighter white on here, and I wanted to put a stencil on here. And as I said in my last video, I got a Cricut for Christmas, so I have cut a stencil. If you're from my other videos, the Dollar Tree ones, sometimes they have some cute little stencils in there, or you could just write on this with chalk. You could print something out and then trace it on here with chalk, so you don't have to have a Cricut, but I'm loving my Cricut, and I found a cute little cut file that says Farm Fresh Eggs, and I changed it up a little bit to kind of make it more my own. And I have put my transfer tape on my stencil and varnished it down good, and then I'm just going to peel it off and put it on the little chalkboard part in the middle, and then I'm going to take the basket outside and give it a light spray, because I don't want it to be all white. I want it to look kind of antique-y. I'm going to spray it with the Krylon Chalky Finish and Classic White. I'll get that and get it dry and bring it in and let y'all see how it turned out. Okay, I brought my basket in. It's nice and dry. I didn't want it to do it solid. I wanted it to still look rustic. So now all I gotta do is peel my stencil off, and y'all can see the finished project. I'm gonna move the camera angle, so just give me a minute and put it over here so you can see when I peel it off. I did it kind of heavy because I wanted it to really show up, and I didn't cut my stencil quite big enough, so I had to put some extra transfer tape to cover. And since this is supposed to be rustic farmhouse, if there's some smudges or something on here, and this is the first stencil I've made, so I'm not going to beat myself up about it. So I'm just going to peel this off and see what we got. Okay, so this is my finished product. I think it turned out really good. I've got a few little errors on there by rookie mistakes, but I'll fix those up and then I'll show you the finished product. Okay, that's my finished product. I cleaned up those little mistakes that I made and touched up the paint. I think it turned out really cute. I'm going to hang it on the wall in my kitchen. I got to move some stuff around, and once I get everything done in here that's all farmhoused up and red checked and everything, I'll show y'all. But for a first attempt, I think it turned out really good. If y'all want to see some more Cricut stuff or some more home decor or makeover stuff that I do, just leave it in the comments and I'll put it up there for you. But anyway, remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Y'all have a great day. Bye.